In this video, we are going to learn about integrity constraints in DBMS. What do you mean by integrity constraint? These are the rules or constraints applied to the database to keep data stable, accurate, or consistent. To keep database consistent, accurate, we have to follow some rules known as integrity rules or integrity constraint. These are entity integrity constraint, keys constraint, domain constraint, tuple uniqueness constraint, referential integrity constraint. We have discussed one by one. Entity integrity. Entity integrity. It states that no attribute of a primary key can have a null value. That is, null value for an attribute means that either the value is not known or is not applicable. Let's take an example. EMP relation, EID, name, salary, department, relation is employee and it consists of 4 attributes: EID, name, salary and department. Name, Aman, Jack, salary 10K, 12K, 14K, department, sale, marketing, finance and so on. Entity integrity rule. No attribute of a primary key can have a null value. Here, EID is a primary key. This is not allowed because EID is the primary key. So, this is the entity integrity rule. Here, null value not allowed. Next, keys constraint. Keys constraint. It means primary key must have unique value in the relational table. That is, duplicate values in primary key are invalid. Let's take an example here. EMP relation. EID, name, department, one 102 101. Name, department sales, HR, finance. Here, in key constraint, all tuples in a relation must also be distinct. That is, duplicate value in primary key are invalid. Here, EID is the primary key, duplicate values 101, 101, not allowed. Not allowed if EID is primary key. This is the keys constraint. Next, domain constraint. Domain constraint. The restriction which we applied on domain are known as domain constraint. These restrictions are applied to every value of attributes. These restrictions include data types, integer, character, varchar, time format, date format, etc. Let's take an example here. Here, relation employee. It consists of 4 attributes. These are EID, name, department, age. 23, 26, A. Here, A is not allowed. Not allowed. Because age is an integer attribute. So this is the domain constraint. Now next is tuple uniqueness constraint. Tuple uniqueness constraint. Uniqueness. Employee relation. EID, name, age. One, 25, 2, Raj, 28, 3, Ram, 25. Tuple uniqueness constraint means all tuple in a relation must also be a distinct. That is, duplicate tuple within a single relation are not allowed. Here, employee relation consists of 3 attributes: EID, name, age. Here, 1, Ram, 25. This is not allowed. Not allowed. Because duplicate tuples within a single relation are not allowed. This is the duplicate tuple. Tuple means single row in a relation. Next, referential integrity constraint. Integrity constraint. Here, employee relation and department relation. EID, name, department number. And next relation is department relation. Department number, location, the location. EID 1 2 3, name Aman, Sonia, Ram, John. D number 10, 11, 10, 15. Here D number 10, 11, 12 in department relation and department location Delhi, Panipat, Lucknow. In referential integrity constraint, a foreign key can be either null or it can have only those values which are present in the primary key with which it is related. Referential integrity rule is specified between two relations. It states that tuple in one relation that refers to another relation must refer to an existing tuple in that relation. It is a condition which ensures that value that appears in one relation for a given set of attributes also appear for a certain set of attributes in another relation. Let's take an example here. Here two relations are employee and department. Attributes of employee relations are EID name and D number, and department two attributes are department number and department location. This is not allowed. Not allowed. Because D number is a foreign key in employee relation. So value of D number equals to 15 is not allowed in employee relation because D number equal to 15 is not available in department relation. These are the integrity constraints. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.